Hi, next question comes from Minor Players. You recommend a method of observing the breath, then labeling thoughts, pain, etc. as they arise, and returning to the breath once those conditions subside. As one develops his practice, one also learns to solve his or her problems using this method. On the issue of problems, first of all, we have to understand that the word problem in and of itself is a judgment, that we're saying that this is a problem. And that's going to be crucial in our solving of our problems, or overcoming the state of having a problem. There are many problems which have to be solved, and so the short answer is yes, I think meditation can help you to solve many of life's problems, and basically how it does that is by giving you this clarity and being able to look at things objectively, seeing things as they are, not becoming confused or distracted from the task at hand, but being able to put your full attention and have clear attention and clear understanding of the problem. But I think what you'll see clearer and more immediate is that you'll find yourself re-evaluating a situation or various situations to the point where they're no longer problems to you, where you can live with certain things, certain experiences, certain states that used to be a problem. For instance, maybe you have a physical ailment, or maybe you have your work or your family or so on, something which is stressing you or causing you some kind of state of suffering. And through the meditation practice, you find that you're able to deal with it to the point that it doesn't bother you. I would say that that's much more direct. That yes, there are many puzzles that you have to figure out, many questions that you have to answer, and you'll find that the answer does come naturally through the meditation, that you are able to answer many of life's questions. But in many more of the cases, you'll find that actually what meditation does is help you to see that it wasn't a problem in the first place. The word problem is something that arose in your mind, and once you got rid of that, you're able to see it for what it is, and you're able to accept it for what it is. And you're able to accept a lot more things than before. You're able to accept your life as it is, and not need to solve it. The other thing that meditation does is help you avoid problems. It helps you give up many of your problems, as opposed to finding an answer for them. So much of the way we live our lives is inherently problematic. And I would say that another thing that meditation does is help you to simplify your life, to give up activities, to give up behaviors which are unconducive towards peace, happiness, and freedom from suffering. So there are problems that meditation might solve. There are problems that meditation helps you to realize are not problems, and then there are problems which you'll just give up, which you'll solve by not engaging in the activity which brings about the problem. Okay, so I hope that's a useful answer. Thanks for the question.